how to fix a huge crack in wood. So I made this about 1.5 years ago. Obviously it cracked, it was wet, just mulberry wood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack the cracks with some really fine sawdust. Looks like powdered sugar. Don't worry about the other particles, the bigger ones that are in there. They wipe them out. So I'll show you what we do. Take a pinch, fill in the crack. Don't have to be real precise, just enough so the surface is flush. And you'll see why here in a second. Okay. This glue will then drip over the surface, and it'll seal right up to where you packed it tight. Then what I do, I take a pinch of sawdust, go back over it, and just wipe it. And there you go. That's how you fix a crack.